Good afternoon, P2 students. Today we are going to answer your assignment yesterday. So again, as you can see, this is about electrical safety, right? So as you can see, I took a picture of the book and tried to paste it here on the word on the Google Docs. Okay, so again, for this exercise 5.2, it talks about electrical safety. So in this exercise, you will show that you know how to stay safe with mains electricity. Like mains electricity is like the very big storage of electricity, right? So it can be mostly at the substations, but also in our houses. The main electricity is like the main outlets like that. Okay, so draw a circle around the things in the picture that are not safe. So as you can see, so look at this one. So this is the door. This is the door. And look at this guy. His hands are wet. And he is playing with with the switch. You think it's good to do that? What else? Look at her. She is in her computer, looking at her computer. But look on top of this one. It looks like a cup. Maybe there's coffee, maybe it's tea or juice. We don't know. Maybe it's milk. But remember the one that I told you yesterday that you should not put any liquid near the your computer, or else it will give you a zap, electrocute you, or it can damage your gadget, right? And look at what else. Let's see. So there's the light. There's a snow here. It's okay. Look at this kid. Do you think it's okay to put something into the socket? You think it's safe? Definitely not, right? And how about this one? There's a TV and it is plugged properly, but look on top of the TV. There's a fish. There is a fish. Hmm. So we will see which one. Okay, so haven't some of you get the answers, but some of you did not get all the answers. Okay, so that's why teacher is showing you the answer, so you can go back and review and change your answer in your book. Okay. All right. So how about this electric fan? Look at that fan. The fan looks like it's broken, right? Look at this part. The cover is off. How about this? Look at the wire. The wire is broken, so you need to put an electric tape to this, right? So again, the instruction is that you are going to draw a circle around the things in the picture that are not safe. So let's go through and answer them. Okay, so it's the same one. So I have here some circles, red circles. I'm just going to drag it here. So again, which one is not safe? So the guy with a wet hand, definitely not safe, right? So we're going to put the circle into the guy who is not, wait, where is it? This is a mess. Okay, so a guy who did not, what? Whose hands are wet. So we're going to put it around here. So this guy, so this is not safe, because if your hands are wet, but why it doesn't stick? Huh. All right, so I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm still also learning. To be honest, I'm still not good with computers, so I'm trying my best to learn them. And when I tried it early in work, but maybe because this is a picture, so I don't know if it will. For example, this one. Huh. That's funny. So I don't know if we are going to insert view, insert drawing. Let's see. So I'm gonna make a circle. Okay, guys. If this doesn't work, then I will just make a imaginary circle. Okay. Shape, and then I want circle. Where's the circle? This one. And I want color. Do I have to draw the circle? Yeah. And then I want this to be maybe red, and save and close. All right. So we'll see. So let's try this one. I want to copy this so that I will have a new. All right, let's try it again. So circle the thing. So I'm just gonna make sure that this one is border. Let's see, image option, and then wrap text. All right, so I'm gonna drag this guy. Maybe in line with this. Oh my gosh, where is it? Ah, this is so funny. Okay, so this one, okay, let's find this one. Come on, down, down, down. Wrap text. Let's try it one more time. Where's the guy? This guy. Cover. Oh man, it's not doing anything. All right, so much with that. So again, just imagine that I put the circle. It's moving everywhere. Okay, so this one, since his hands are wet, so teacher will just forgive me about this. To be honest, I'm not good with computers, so I'm just gonna make a circle, imaginary circle, about which ones are not safe, okay? So this guy, his hands are wet, so this is no. Oh, I think I pressed it. Where is it now? Go back. I want to go back to see. Go back one more time. Okay. So again, one more time. Let's go back. So this guy, his hands are wet. So it's not safe. This is not safe. The cup on top of the desk, computer desk, it's not safe. So there's a circle for this. The fish on top of the TV, that's a no-no. So make a circle for the fish. And then the kid poking something in the sockets. No, that's not good. So circle for this kid. What else? And this fan needs to be fixed because you see the covers are open. So we have to make a circle to this and also the wire, the broken wire. Circle to the broken wire here. All right, so let's count how many. Oh, I forgot one here. We should not put a wire outside connected to the other door, or else the door. If you close the door, then it might destroy the wire or the cord. So again, one. This is not safe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Again, you can color your book and just make sure you emphasize the circle ones. The circles that to show that these pictures are not safe. All right, that will be all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice Wednesday. Goodbye.